Over the course of 10 years, XRP has demonstrated its ability to benefit patients. To be clear, though, not everyone benefits, and most definitely not everyone. Why? It's not because opportunities aren't dispersed fairly in the crypto realm. No, the true cause is straightforward. Are you sick of phony gurus who pretend to be knowledgeable traders but never engage in live trading? I trade live on the second biggest cryptocurrency exchange, where results are unfake and everything is clear. I have continuously closed each month in profit for more than 440 days. My followers have made over 70% profit with only 4% drawdown in the last 90 days alone. Results that have been verified, not just claims. Do you wish to view my confirmed statistics? Start duplicating my trades for free right now by clicking the first link in my profile. We frequently undermine ourselves when it comes to investing. The individuals who use XRP to attain that incredible transformative fortune, there is a commonality among them all. After purchasing it and holding onto it for years, they eventually made a sizable profit. That's the recipe. Remember when XRP was originally introduced? It was developed in 2012 and made accessible to the general public in 2013. XRP reached a then all-time high of $3.35 on January 4, 2018, following the subsequent bull cycle. Here's the catch, though. You have to hold XRP for over 5 years in order to receive that enormous payout. The rewards were bestowed upon those who persisted and remained steadfast in their beliefs. Panicked people, meanwhile, jumped in and out of positions, or allow their feelings to influence their choices. The boat was missing, and now here we are. The wait was significantly longer this time. It took XRP more than 7 years to reach a new all-time high. However, the lesson is still the same. In the cryptocurrency world, patience is rewarded. The benefits might be remarkable for those who are prepared to wait. There's a reason why the wait was longer than anticipated. Cycles of the market only occur every 4 years. Additionally, XRP typically performs best when the market is booming, much like clockwork. Unfortunately, everything was overshadowed by the SAC's litigation cloud, so we missed the last great run. You wouldn't know it, though. At last, XRP took off. Let's face it, it took a lot of patience, but the wait was worthwhile. The reward has finally arrived for those who persevered through all the uncertainty. The exciting part is about to begin. It's not finished yet. I am convinced that the most exciting chapter of XRP's history is still to come. What comes next? It's just the beginning of a new all-time high. When XRP goes into price discovery mode, which we haven't seen yet, the real fun begins. Make a note of the date. For the first time in over 7 years, XRP reached a new all-time high on January 16. And what do you know? This is just the beginning of what lies ahead. Hold on tight. It's not quite over yet. One of my life's most amazing days. Unadulterated joy and confirmation of all my beliefs. I'm sure a lot of you share my sentiments, particularly if you've been traveling this path for years. Let's be honest, though. There's more to the moment we've all been waiting for than simply reaching an all-time high and then falling again. We're all dreaming of the face-melting moment when it smashes through that ceiling and soars even higher. And I genuinely think that day is approaching, let me tell you. I understand that some of you may be feeling exhausted or disheartened in the interim, but don't be. Remain resilient. I'm not going to falter. Furthermore, some of the leading XRP chart analysts whose opinions I will present in this video are also not. XRP makes sense, so I'll hold for however long it takes. It does. After everything it has been through, the market would not still be in existence if it didn't agree. Consider it. The US government, including the SAC, pursued XRP vigorously. And yet, here we are. The market itself is the only thing that will be sufficient to bring it down if that isn't. If the market later determines that XRP is no longer a good investment for some reason, then so be it. I'll take that. Let's be honest, though. That isn't the situation. The market is clearly telling us that XRP makes sense. It makes sense and concurs with you and me. Consider it. Payments ought to be dominated by a top-tier coin, a large-cap powerhouse designed for efficiency and speed. Bitcoin originally made that promise, but it hasn't fulfilled it. Ethereum, amazing for other purposes, but it was never intended for payments. What's left, then? XRP. It simply functions. Fractions of a penny are spent on transactions. It's essentially free. It settles in 3 to 5 seconds, which is lightning fast. Real-time payments that make sense in the real world. That is valued by the market. With additional capabilities that make it indispensable, XRP fulfills the promise made by Bitcoin. XRP is here to stay for all of these reasons and many more. Both the market and we are aware of it. Patience. That's the crux of the matter. Those who are able to maintain composure and patience frequently reap the benefits. You have an option. Nevertheless, it's normal to experience some anxiety, whether it be related to cryptocurrency or the stock market. Charlie Bolello, a chart analyst, has provided his 635,000 followers with a viewpoint that puts everything in perspective. Bolello, Creative Planning's chief market strategist, reminded us that the S&P 500 has experienced the largest decline since 2022, falling more than 10% from its top on February 19. Here's the worst part, though. Since the bottom in March 2009, this is the 30th correction of more than 5%. It was always like the end of the world. Not at all. Spoiler alert. I understand. These times seem disastrous to many, particularly to individual investors. It's no different corrections such as these cause panic in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is an asset risk that frequently fluctuates in lockstep with the stock market. Both markets fall when consumers get fearful and avoid taking risks. That's the way it is. However, keep in mind that patience is a tactic as well as a virtue. Crypto markets may seem a little more frightening than conventional ones. This isn't the end of the world, but it is more volatile. These kinds of events are actually a part of the journey. Crypto will increase in value together with the S&P. The current value of the cryptocurrency market is $2.66 trillion, but it will eventually reach $10 trillion, $20 trillion, or even $30 trillion. Indeed, there will continue to be drawbacks. Suppose it falls to $25 trillion from $30 trillion. Doesn't that sound dramatic? But consider it. We currently have $2.66 trillion. Wouldn't it be good to reach $25 trillion? Naturally, it all comes down to perspective. You will see the wider picture if you adopt a long-term perspective. People who have made millions of dollars by investing in XRP and similar assets have not panicked or jumped in and out of holdings. They trusted the process, remained patient, and took the long view. What irritates individuals is emotional investment. Bitcoin is a number sign. As chart analyst Mustache advises, don't wager against the trend. The secret? Maintain your composure, focus, and long-term perspective. As in 2017 and 2020, the trend line is still in place. Although history doesn't exactly repeat itself, it does rhyme. Patterns appear, recur, and give hints about future developments.